I'm gonna show all of you guys one of the best ways to make money online. You've gotta believe me when I tell you that this method is so easy. After watching this video, you won't have to struggle to make some cash ever again because of how easy it is. Take a look at all of these people here who have managed to make big bucks just by doing this, and you can too. So if you're ready to make some serious cash, then let's get straight into it. So today we're going to be using this awesome website called Paid Work, and it's seriously making some extra bucks flow into my pocket. Okay, so let me tell you what this whole thing is about. Basically, Paid Work is this sweet platform that pays you for doing simple tasks. I'm talking about stuff like watching videos, playing games, or even taking some surveys. It's like getting paid to have fun. How cool is that, right? What I love most about Paid Work is how easy peasy it is to get started. You just sign up on their website and boom, you're good to go. No complicated procedures or anything like that. And guess what? It's totally free to join. Yeah, you heard me right. Zero upfront costs. That's a big win in my book. Once you're in, you'll find a whole bunch of tasks to choose from. Personally, I'm all about those video watching gigs. I mean, who doesn't like watching videos and making money out of it? It's like hitting two birds with one stone, having a blast in earning some cash. And let's talk surveys. At first I was a bit skeptical about them, but hey, they're actually not bad. Some of them are pretty interesting and they don't take forever to complete. It's nice to share your opinions and get rewarded for it. Plus, it feels like you're making a tiny difference in the world. Now let me spill the beans on the games part. I'm a gamer at heart, so this was like music to my ears. Paid Work has a huge selection of fun games you can play, and the best part is you earn while you play, so it's like fueling your gaming addiction without feeling guilty about spending hours in front of the screen. Gotta love that. But wait, it gets even better. The more tasks you do, the more points you rack up, and those points, my friend, can be exchanged for some sweet rewards. They've got gift cards, cash payouts, and other cool stuff up for grabs. So you're not just making money, but you're also treating yourself with some awesome goodies. I gotta say, I didn't really know about online money making platforms at first, worried about scams and all that jazz. But Paid Work is totally legit. They've been around for a while and they've got a solid reputation, so you can put those worries aside and focus on the fun in earning part. One should mention that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not like you're gonna become a millionaire overnight, but hey, every penny counts, right? And with Paid Work, you can make a decent amount of pocket change by doing things you'd probably do anyway. It's all about making the most of your free time. So if you're looking for a fun and easy way to earn some extra moolah, I totally recommend giving Paid Work a shot. It's like having a side hustle without all the hassle. Plus, it's a nice feeling to know that you're putting your spare time to good use and earning a little something for yourself. Alright, enough of my rambling. Let me now walk you through exactly how you can start making money with Paid Work. Step 1. Sign up for Paid Work. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna want to do is sign up for Paid Work, and to do that you'll need to head on over to their website, which I've linked in the description for you. Easy peasy. Right now, spot that registration button in the top right corner and give it a quick click. Okay, here comes the cool part. They make signing up a breeze. You can choose to go old school with your email and password, or if you're all about that convenience, just connect with your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account. Whatever floats your boat. Once you're all logged in, you'll see your very own dashboard. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at that fancy sidebar and find the Earn tab. Click it and you're presented with a bunch of cool ways to make some dough. So as I said before, they've got games to play, surveys to fill out, videos to watch, online shopping, and micro tasks for you to tackle. I mean, you literally have so many different options to choose from. Okay, so let's say that you're feeling survey savvy today. Just click on the fill out surveys option and bam, a bunch of surveys will be waiting for you. Take your pick and get ready to share your thoughts now. Don't worry, these surveys won't take you ages to finish. They're quick and easy, so you'll be done before you know it. Oh, and here's the best part. You can see how many points you'll earn right there under the survey's name. It's like Getting a sneak peek at the rewards once you've rocked that survey, the points are all yours to keep. And guess what, you can cash them out. Just think of all the cool stuff you can treat yourself to with those hard-earned points, so go ahead. Give it a shot and see how it goes for you. I'm loving it and I'm sure you will too. Step 2. Install the app on your phone. Alright, time for step 2 in our money making journey, installing the paid work app on your phone. Let me break it down for you. So picture this, you're on your cool dashboard at paid work. Right in there's this tiny bell button just in the top right corner. Give it a little click and bam, you'll see the download app button right there. You know what to do next. Right click that button and let the app download onto your phone. Now here's where the fun begins. Installing the app activates monetization. Fancy word, right? But it just means that the app is all set to help you make that sweet cash. And guess what? With the app right there on your phone, it's super easy to stay connected and jump on all those money-making opportunities whenever you've got a bit of free time. It's like having a side gig right in the palm of your hand. I don't know about you, but I'm all about convenience, and this app totally delivers. It's honestly like having a little money-making buddy that's always there to lend a helping hand. So if you're serious about making some extra cash and want to level up your money game, don't miss out on step 2. Install that app, activate monetization, and let the money-making adventure continue. Step 3. Select an offer. Alright, here we go with step 3. It's time for you to pick an offer and have some money-making fun. So you're on the site, right? Take a moment to browse through all those cool offers they've got waiting for you. It's like being in a candy store, but instead of sweets, you're surrounded by awesome money-making opportunities. Now look through the offers and find the one that tickles your fancy. Maybe you're into taking surveys and sharing your thoughts. Go for it. Or perhaps you're more of a gamer and want to play your way to some extra dough. That's cool too. The best part is there's something for everyone. You get to choose what you want to do, and that's what makes it feel personal and fun. No one size fits all here. It's all about your preferences and interests. Once you've got your eye on that perfect offer, dive right in and complete it. It's like turning a fun activity into a money-making adventure. And guess what? You'll be earning those sweet points. Scrolling through social media, why not complete an offer and earn some cash? It's productive and rewarding. The best combo. And here's a little secret: some offers are surprisingly fun. Like you won't even realize you're making money because you're having such a blast doing it. It's like getting paid for doing things you do already. Can't beat that. So take a leap, select that offer, and dive into the money-making magic. Step 4. Complete as many offers as possible. Alright, so you know the deal. The more offers you complete, the more money you make. So let's get cracking in. Rack up those earnings. Remember, it's all about variety and trying different things. One day you might be in the mood for some surveys. Go ahead and knock them out, and the next day maybe you feel like gaming your way to some extra cash. The key is to keep that momentum going. Don't let those money-making vibes fade away. Whenever you've got a bit of free time, hop on over to paid work and see what's up for grabs. So go out there and complete as many offers as you can handle. Now look guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.